This is your patient's history. Your assistant writes, you prescribe. The patient leaves with a paper, and half the time they lose it before the next visit. The other half, your handwriting gets misread. Patient returns after months. You have no idea what you prescribed. Neither do they. You saw 30 patients today, but you lost 2 hours to paperwork that could have been with them. There's a different way. Alset Emr. Your assistant still registers patients, just on a mobile or laptop. Alset fits into your clinic, not your clinic fitting into an EMR. Simple screens, simple setup, comfortable in under 5 minutes. Register a patient in seconds. Pull up their history in 1 click. Type the diagnosis. Your usual medicines appear. 1 click. That's it. Every prescription, every patient, every visit, saved digitally. Export everything anytime. Your data stays yours. And if you need to know what you prescribed months ago, it's right there, built for peace of mind. Patient gets the prescription on WhatsApp, in English, Hindi, or 13 other languages. They'll actually read it. They come back after months. Everything you prescribed is right here. You just get to spend that time with patients, not with a pen. Eye contact, real connection. That's the difference. Alset is free, not a trial, not free for 30 days, just free. For you, for your assistant, forever. Alset was built in a small clinic by a doctor who got tired of fighting paper, and Sambhavi Labs, a Bangalore-based startup under Startup India, and an assistant who deserved better. You didn't spend years studying medicine to become a record keeper. You became a doctor to see patients. Let Alset handle the rest. No corporate bloat, just value at no cost. Unlimited patients, unlimited prescriptions, forever. If your practice grows and you want more, unlock the soon-to-be-released Platinum Plan. Your clinic logo, GST billing, teleconsultation, ABDM integration, AI features, and more. Join the movement. Start free at alsetemr.tech. No credit card, no subscription, just start.